let's have the continuation on illustrating the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so balikan lang natin yung mnemonics natin regarding sa 6 trigonometric ratios. So yung mnemonics natin, SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so pag sinabi natin SOHCAHTOA, that is sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. That means cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Mag-shortcut lang na ako dito, ha? Tangent theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, kunin lang natin yung mga opposite niyan. Ang opposite ng sine is cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse over opposite. Secant theta is equal to the hypotenuse over the adjacent. And the opposite of tangent is cotangent theta is equal to adjacent over opposite. Okay, so tandaan lang natin yan. No? Now, ang gagawin lang natin dito is given na yung reference angle. So, ito yung example natin. Ang reference angle natin dito is angle A. Kasi yan lang given angle. So, that means angle A is the reference angle. So, what are we going to do with this is to identify first the hypotenuse. Okay, so the hypotenuse here is this, the right angle here is this one, right? Kasi ito yung merong maliit na square. So, automatic ang opposite nito, yung kaharap niya is itong 17. Ang tawag natin dyan is the hypotenuse. So, that means this is the longest side. So, paano ko malalaman na hypotenuse yan? Well, of course, tignan nyo lang kung ano yung kaharap niya. At ang kaharap ng 17 na to is the 90-degree angle, yung merong square. Okay, so once na-identify nyo na yung hypotenuse, pwede na nating i-label yung ibang sides. Diba? Ito yung angle A. This is the reference angle. So, automatic yung katabi ng angle A na yan, itong 8 na to, ang tawag natin dyan is the adjacent. Adjacent, that means katabi. Okay? So, ang kaharap naman ng angle A na yan is this one, this side. So, ang tawag natin dyan sa kaharap is, that means, that is the opposite. Kaharap. Okay? So, ganun lang. Once na-identify nyo na yan, makukuha nyo na yung, ma-illustrate na yung 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay, so let's start. So, tandaan lang yung mnemonics na SOHCAHTOA. Okay, so let's start with the sine. Sine, the reference angle, which is angle A, is equal to the opposite. So, sino ba yung opposite niyan? Ito yun. Side A. Over hypotenuse. At ang hypotenuse natin is 17. So, ganun lang siya. Next, let's have cosine A is equal to adjacent, yung katabi niya, that is 8 over hypotenuse, which is 17. So, kapag may nakuha kayong ganito, kailangan lowest term kapag parehas na number. So, kung meron pang pwede mag-divide sa mga numbers natin. So, we need to get the lowest term. So, since 8 and 17, wala nang ibang number na pwede mag-divide sa kanila other than 1, then, ibig sabihin yun yung final answer. Okay? So, next, we have the tangent. So, tangent A is equal to TOA, opposite, ito yun, A over, ayusin ko lang yung A ko, baka akala nyo, that's 9. So, that is A, ha? Over, adjacent, which is 8. So, yun na yan. So, now, let's get the opposite of these 3 trigonometric ratios. Ang opposite ng sine is cosecant. So, cosecant A is equal to, baliktarin lang to, 17 over A. Opposite of cosine is secant A is equal to 17 over 8. And the tangent is cotangent A is equal to 8 over letter A, side A. So, yun yung 6 trigonometric ratios natin for this example. Let's have now example number 2. What if parang bumaliktad lang yung triangle natin? Still, ganun pa rin. Basta't alam mo kung saan yung hypotenuse. So, since ito yung 90-degree angle natin, ito ang kaharap niya, ibig sabihin si x ay ang hypotenuse. Okay? So, ganun lang siya. Now, angle B. Angle B naman is the reference angle. This is your reference angle. So, automatic, kapag yan ang reference angle, tignan nyo kung sinong katabi niyan. So, syempre, dalawa lang katabi niyan dyan, itong x at saka yung 3. Kaso, x is the hypotenuse. So, ngayon yan, yung 3 niyan, ang tawag natin doon is the adjacent. Okay, tapos yung kaharap naman ng B, ng angle B, is itong 4, which is what we call the opposite. So, ganun lang siya. Ngayon, label na natin, identify na natin yung 6 trigonometric ratio. So katawa again. Yan. So, we have sine, the reference angle is B, is equal to opposite. Opposite niyan is 4. Yan, lalagyan na natin ng main. Over hypotenuse, which is x. Next, cosine A. That's ka, adjacent, which is 3, over hypotenuse, which is x. Ayan. So, titignan nyo lang kung anong label dyan. Tangent A naman is TOA. Opposite is 4 over adjacent, which is 3. So, once na, this is A pala. I'm so sorry. This is B. This is B. I'm so sorry. These are all B. Kasi ang reference angle natin is B. Okay? So, once na nagkamali kayo doon, mamamali lahat yan. So, now let's get the opposite. So, we have the cosecant B is equal to x over 4. Cosecant B ay secant pala. Opposite ng cosine pala is secant. Secant B is equal to x over 3. And the opposite of tangent is cotangent B. Is equal to 3 over 4. Okay, so that's it.